Every door was locked from inside, every window was shut. 5 people were dead and the killer had never even been seen. New Orleans, 1918. A killer entered homes at 3 a.m., quietly, patiently, like he had done it before.
I do not rush. I study my targets. I know exactly where they sleep. I know exactly where they keep the axe, and they will never hear me coming.
He used their own axe, from their own shed. He walked past their money or past their jewelry and touched nothing. This was never about robbery.
Money means nothing to me. Power is the only thing I want. The power to enter any home, any night, without a single trace.
They locked their doors and they bought guns and they burned lights all night. None of it mattered. He still came.
Nobody ever will.
This is 100% true. Subscribe now. Full film this week, if you dare.